Hey there friends, welcome back. ETPC here doing another unboxing. This is on a Monocular telescope by Miuo. It's a 12 by 50 high power monocular. And it has a little way to attach it to the phone. You do most of my recordings on my Google Pixel XL2. So it can zoom in, but when you zoom in with the phone, if you tried this before, it gets kind of blurry and it's not really that great. So I'm hoping that this item will help me. So we're checking out what's in the box here real quick. So here's a little round plastic thing, and I'm sure it does something. We'll get there. All right, so in here it appears to be, yes, so a phone, one of those little phone holder things to hold the phone. Oh, that's cool. Looks like a little fob with this bag here. So camera, iOS, Android. So it's got a little like remote to take pictures with it here. One that says Android and iOS, maybe like some kind of little wireless device. You can lock it, unlock it. It's a remote shutter, so that is really cool. You can use that for your phone, I believe. So that's really neat. Little attachment here. All right, continue on. What else we got in the box? Little screw here. Okay. And instructions. Nice. Alright, that's it for the box. Actually, I pulled, looks like it comes with a nice little complimentary screen cleaner. You can never have too many of those, can you? And what else? Box inside the box. So you guys are getting a 2-for-1 here on a double unboxing. Let's see what's in here. That's it for that. Alright. It's the awesome. It's the world's smallest tripod. Isn't it cute? Oh my goodness. It even extends out. That is pretty cool for sure. Yeah, that is nice. Okay, so it has a little tripod here in the box. That's pretty sweet. Alright, and also I pulled this bag out of here. Nice little you know, it looks like those bags that you see those movies where they always do the jewel heist and then they pour the diamonds out from the bag. Looks like one of those bags. Let's see if we're pouring some diamonds out here. No. Okay, that's it for the bag. And all right, here it is, my friends. So first impressions here. It's got that cool rubber feel, so it's not going to be slipping out of your hands. We have a little compass on top there. See some lens caps here, looks like. Take these off. Okay, nice little rubber lens caps. I'll just come off of here. I think just pop off of here. Yes, okay. Okay, the end one just comes off like that and it hangs there. That's pretty neat. I'm gonna have to go outside and obviously test this out. So I'm going to be doing a review later. This is just the unboxing. So this comes with a nice little lanyard too. So if you drop it, it's not gonna fall. And with all these other attachments that came with it, you can hook up your phone to it, so I'm really excited to do that. So this little tripod looks like it screws into the bottom here, so it's nice and stable, and that's what you want for long distance shots for sure. So yeah, that's what's in the box, my friends. I will be doing a review here on the video via video here pretty soon. As soon as I go check it out, hook it up the phone, I'll probably make some videos of that as well. Long distance videos, but first impression seems like a pretty nice little piece here. So you can pick this up at Amazon for around $32.99. Well, not around, that's what the price is. I'll leave a link in the description below. Everyone, thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.